Hi, this is Jenny with Simply Beautiful Crafts on behalf of Expert Village. Today I want to share with you a wreath that I made for my wonderful librarian at school. I teach school. When I was first making these wreaths, I made them for the people that were important in my children's lives, and at that time it was their teachers and all the other people at school as well. For this wreath, the first thing you want to do is put ribbon through it, and you can either use a plain gold ribbon, or if you're giving it as a Christmas gift, you could put the Christmas ribbon in it. I chose the plain gold ribbon because I figured she could put it up in the library and leave it year-round. As you can see, it indicates a world's best librarian. You want to take your ribbon and go around your wreath at least 1 1/4 to 1 1/2 times. That'll tell you how much ribbon you need. And then begin to weave it through your piece, starting behind a joint, going over a joint, down and through. This happens to be wired ribbon. You can use either wired ribbon or plain ribbon without the wire. There's really no advantage to either one. I just happen to like this one, so I got it wired. I also look for them when they go on sale. So that might have been a determining factor in getting this ribbon too. So you want to weave your ribbon in and out through your piece until you come to the end. It takes 10 to 20 minutes to embellish a piece if you take your time and do it right and make plans as you go. When you get to the end, you want to take your hot glue gun, lay a bead of glue right in a joint, press the end of your ribbon, lace, or rope right here, and let it cool. Then you're ready to embellish your wreath. I was able to find these wonderful little samples of, they look like Scrabble, the game Scrabble, with the numbers on them, and I thought that was appropriate. So I used those to write Best Librarian, and then these were stickers that I found in the scrapbooking section of the store. But there are many places also where you can find buttons, for instance, that have things that have to do with school, if you look in the button section. So there are a variety of places that you can go to find those. So what you want to do is lay things out on your wreath first, or your picture frame, and really play with it and arrange it till you have it exactly the way you like it. Then when you're ready, you just take your hot glue gun and put it on the back of your piece, whether it's a piece of wood or if it's plastic. Arrange them on there, affix your bow, making sure you put a hanger on the back with a little bit of glue, and then you're finished. And your librarian will just think that you are something else. So here you have it, world's best librarian, something that she can hang with pride in her library or hang on her tree at home.